Mr. President, I stand before you today to expose a travesty that should shock the conscience of the world. In Balochistan, the very rights we uphold here are being systematically dismantled. Imagine more than 40,000 lives, each with stories, dreams and families now listed among the forcibly disappeared. Among them was Asma, abducted from her home by Pakistan Army-backed death squads. Consider the life of Aladad Baloch, a scholar whose pursuit of knowledge ended in execution. His death a chilling testament to a policy of silencing dissent through murder. These are not pure incidents, they are the symptoms of a sinister strategy in which death squad operating under the cloak of Pakistan Army spread fear to silence those demanding the independence of Balochistan. We, as advocates for human rights, demand an immediate end to these atrocities and the dissolution of all such illegal groups. An independent investigation to shed light on this human rights violation, document the crime, and identify the culprits to ensure accountability. The safe return of all those who have been forcibly disappeared, along with the justice and reparation for their families. Accountability for those in power who have allowed or encouraged these violations, ensuring that no one escapes justice. Let us act. Let us speak with the power of our collective will to end these abuses, restore dignity, and affirm that no state has the right to occupy another's land and erase its people. I thank you.
Thank you. I give the floor to